Today I have another Mercedes. It's a GL550, a really nice one, around 110,000 miles. This one needs timing chain replaced as well. He's on the original worn timing chain, and it does have a lot of play. And I'm going to replace it with new one, and this issue should be fixed. If your GL or ML is having this issue, you have this loud knocking noise at hard acceleration, you can email me. I'm in Southern California and I can help you out with it. Thank you.